Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how I got a flat tummy and how I maintain a flat tummy with these 5 tips that work 100%. Stay tuned for the video.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a great year and you guys are meeting your goals. Today's video is going to be how I got a flat tummy quickly and also how I keep and maintain a flat stomach. If you want a flat stomach, you're going to have to really put in the work, just saying. But these are some like quick, direct tips for you to do that work 100%. All right, we're gonna go to Sandy's house. The first thing that you need to do, first thing to do is cardio. If you do nothing else, the first way to shred pounds and fat is cardio. Like I'm telling you, this is a science. I'm a legit science teacher. Seriously, biology, anatomy, physiology, like I know these things. You have to do cardio. That's the first way to shred the weight. No matter where you want it, and especially your stomach, you have to just do cardio. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to run outside for years. No, you can actually do the bicycles. That's cardio. You can do dance or Zumba, anything that really, you know, gets your heart pumping. That's cardio. Cardio is heart. That's basically the prefix for heart. So cardiovascular, that's the heart system, you know, that's the system of the heart and, you know, blood flowing and everything. So that's what you have to do. Be creative. Just do some cardio. There's 2 different types. You know, there's LISS. I call it LISS, L-I-S-S, and then you have HIIT, H-I-T-T, and there's less. LISS is less intensive, and then or lower intensity, and then high is high intensity. I would consider low intensity more so like walking. Some people jog for cardio, and that's good. But if you really want to like get it and really shred those pounds in that stomach area, you need to do high intensity.
Now, if you're a really busy person and you don't have a lot of time, I would recommend you to do the HIIT because you're doing more intense workouts. But if you do have the time, I would recommend actually doing both of them. But if you want to see more results quicker, then I would definitely recommend the high intensity workouts.
High intensity cardio. So that's more so like Zumba, like where you don't have to do Zumba, but you can use your own music. My mom used to use Barbie workout music from like '96, and I just bought her one last year, honestly, for her birthday. And she just used to work out in the living room. Now she's not consistent, so that's why she still has those pounds. But if you want to shred, work out. Sometimes I do my little twerk dance and stuff like that, you know, when I'm trying to work out or whatever. But like, just do dance, your favorite kind of dance or whatever. Some people do praise or worship dance. However you get it in, just do it. Now, after you've done cardio, then of course you do want to tone it up. So working your core muscles. So of course you're going to do the crunches and the sit-ups. Zumba and dance class is really actually good for that also, because like, you know, certain moves you have to like work your lower body, and that's, you know, where the lower abdomen is, you know, for you to, you know, actually tone that up. So that's good for doing cardio and the actual toning of the muscles. So, you know, get in the gym, go ahead and do your workouts. You know, they have the press for that, you know, and go ahead and shred that pound. And you don't have to go into the gym and do this. You can do these exercises at home. You just have to be more intense and more consistent. Third, now I know some of you guys are like, oh my gosh, she didn't say anything about eating healthy. Yeah, all of those fatty foods that are extra fat for no reason, like you have to give those up, at least for the time being, and cut back extensively. Like I'm so serious. Carbohydrates are your enemy. Carbohydrates is exactly how you get thick, like potatoes, pasta, potato chips, bread, cookies, all of those kinds of things. Those are carbohydrates, and those are what actually packs on a lot of fats and lipids in our bodies. So that's the first thing that has to go. Butter, excess oils. If you're going to use oil, do like extra olive oils, you know, oils that are good and low fat. You know, don't starve yourself, but just cut back on your meals and try to meal prep if you have struggles with it. And do detoxing. You can do detox water instead of like fruit juices, because a lot of fruit juices have a lot of calories. So if you want to do fruit juices, get natural fruits and actually do like frozen fruits. I've made beverages and smoothies that are low calorie, have low calories, so you can be creative and do those things. Like I said, detox waters, so cucumbers and lemon fruits, you know, you can add to your smoothies as replacement meals, okay?
I do have a previous video recorded and uploaded where I do have several different shakes that you can make for weight gain or loss.
And of course, eat more veggies and fruits. When you eat more vegetables and even some nuts, you feel fuller anyway. So you'll feel like you've eaten more, but you've really eaten less. And you're eating healthier and heartier. No sugars, no salts, okay? No sugar, because sugar is what's going to pack those pounds on. And no salty foods, because salt makes you bloated, so that's what you don't want. Now, number 4 is more digestion. So eating foods with fiber in it is going to help you boo-boo and literally get all of that, you know, excess stuff out of you. That's going to help lower those pounds and also, you know, give you the appearance of having a smaller stomach. But in essence, that's what you're doing. You know, your body needs digestion. And fiber actually, like I said, it makes you digest your food quicker. So less food storage means less fat. That's actually my last real tip. But just to make it 5, I would just say more than ever, be consistent. You can pick one of these and not be consistent and you're not going to see any results. I don't care how, you can get surgery, and if you're not consistent with your lifestyle and eating healthy, you're not going to, you know, prosper with that. So be consistent and like just be encouraged. Of course, the pounds won't shred within the first day, but you know, as you keep working, let's say like a week to 2 weeks to 3 weeks or a month, you'll see results. These results are 100%. So stay consistent for number 5. That's it for today's video. And if you have any comments or suggestions on what helps, leave them in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Thumbs up if you want to see more health fitness type videos in my workout routine, or comment below if you want to see that. I'd love to do that. Comment below also if you want to see how I'm gaining weight. Bye guys.